Hello, sixth grade. Okay, so today we have two things to do. The first thing that we need to do is a long division quiz that you can see right here. I should have printed this quiz out and handed it out to you guys. It's just 4 problems. It's okay if you don't know how to do long division. The point is that Mrs. Perez and I just want to see where everybody is at, because our next unit, we're all going to have to know how to do it. So we're all going to be working throughout the next weeks to make sure that everybody is getting advanced on these quizzes. Okay, once you're done with that, we're going to be going over our benchmark. So I'm going to pass out your benchmark performance report. I have 1 student's up right here, so it should look something like this. And so let's look at this. What you have is you have the number of points that you've earned for each, or the number of points that were possible to earn for each question right here where it says points. Then you have the number of points that you earned. You have your response. And then you have the correct answer. The student response doesn't really matter unless it's a multiple choice question. You'll see under student response for number 13, the response was C, but the correct answer was A. And then over here, you just have the standard and the test level. Okay, so what you're going to do is you all have a sheet that looks like this, that says Tuesday, November 18th, benchmark analysis. So first, answer the first page. Just how well did you do on the benchmark? How do you feel about the score? And then what's your goal for the next benchmark? Your goal should always be higher than how you did on this benchmark. So if you got a basic, your goal has to be at least a mastery, if not advanced. Now, the back is where it gets tricky. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to pick 3 multiple choice questions and then 1 open response question that you got wrong. So you're only picking questions that you got wrong. There are a few of you that didn't get enough questions wrong to do this. Awesome job for you. That just means you have less work to do. So under question, if I look at my student performance sheet, it'll say, I'm going to look for a question that I got wrong. So I'm going to look for a multiple choice question. Okay, so I see right here, question 13. So I'm going to look at my sheet. I'm going to fill in 13 where it says question. And then for my answer, it says right here that my answer was C, but the correct answer was A. So under my answer, I'm going to put C. The correct answer is A. Then when it says, why is this answer correct? I'm going to go back to the website and I'm going to resolve question number 13. So I'm going to pull up the website. This should look the same for both the Reese's and Kit Kats and the Snickers and Butterfinger. I'm going to click where it says benchmark. And then this will bring me to a copy of the benchmark. I'm going to scroll down to problem 13, where it says Chloe plans to practice playing the piano for more than 2 hours this weekend. And then I'm going to resolve the question here. If it's something like this one, I don't really have to resolve this inequality question, so I'm going to write a short explanation. So I'm going to say the answer, I'm going to say the answer to this question is A because she practiced for more than 4 hours, which means N has to be larger, more than 2 hours, which means that N has to be larger than 2. So the answer was A, N is greater than 2. Okay, and then once you're done with that, you'll go back to the student performance sheet, you'll pick another one you got wrong, so I'd do problem 20 next, and then resolve that one again. So by the end of the class, I want to see all the boxes filled in. If for open response, you know that you got it wrong, if the points earned is less than the points available. So here, the points earned was 0 and the points available was 1, so I know that I got that problem wrong. All right, good luck.